So I have just received this amazing pendant amulet healing tool that John created, and I'm shocked. I'm in the best possible way. I'm moved almost beyond words, and such gratitude for this creation tool, which is what this is, to birth new realities and to bring in unity consciousness and allow us to live as the creator beings that we really are.
Oh, beautiful.
So I am completely honored and humbled and grateful.
Thank you, Janet. I'm so honored to create this for you.
I haven't even put it over my heart yet. Oh, I better sit down. I can feel the reality shifting.
Stop it now.